In this QuickSolve tutorial, we're going to quickly discuss how you can import owned material into the QuickSolve so that the app designs just using the material that you own. To start, we're going to go into inventory, and as you can see as of now, we don't have anything in our inventory. So what you can do is you can open up this Excel file that we've created. It's linked in the description for Duo, Maximo, and Domino, and it has all of the articles for all of the systems, and you can input the amounts that you have. Once I have all of my material input, I can save this, and then I can import. And then you select the worksheet. Since this is the only worksheet, we'll keep it as is. And then you have to select the columns that show the item number, and so that is column A, and the column that shows the quantity, which is column C. And then the row that contains the first article. So our first article is in row number 2. Once that's done, you have to select the kind of import settings you'd like. So if you already had existing items in your inventory, you could replace and everything will be deleted and only the stuff in this current Excel file will be added. Or you can update, which would update the existing items as well as add new items that weren't previously there. Or you can only add new articles and it would not update the numbers of the existing articles that were already there. For now, we're just going to select replace. And as you can see now, the inventory has all of our dual material that we own. In some instances, you can choose to either consider or not consider a certain panel. And so if in your design you don't want to use something, you can take that into consideration. Now that we have this done, we can go back to the Duo project that we had done before. And if we go to the shutter, you'll see the option to shutter from inventory. And so this will change. And now this is just designing using the inventory. But if your inventory is not sufficient to complete it, it'll note the missing quantities in your parts list. So now when you go to your parts list, you're going to see the amount that you need for this design and then what you have in your inventory. So for all of these pieces, we are good. But since we don't have the wall thickness compensator, we're missing 8, and that's noted. And in this list, you can either show your inventory or only show the missing items that you need if you're just looking to purchase these items. Going back to the inventory, you can also add manually the articles you want. It doesn't need to be imported. And so you can either search in the article pool, and you can see stuff that you already have in your inventory and stuff that you don't. So for example, I can add this in, and then I can add the quantity that I own. And so now it's in my inventory. You can also do the same for Maximo and Domino.